hard over against the pine trees. Should be here soon. Here it comes. There it is. Back of the truck's full of stuff. Mothership's okay so far. Trixie, what do you think? The wind blowing? You bet it is. A lot of sticks to clean up. Micah, that's your house. And that's your debris field. I don't feel bad about that. It's not really broke. Yeah, some limbs, leaves, not bad. Look at the backyard, look at it. See if this tree fell yet. Nah, he's still good. Still got his hot tub cover. Got a few leaves in the backyard. Fence is still good. Bill's house is still good. I don't see any shingles. Perfect. Go look at your front yard, Corey. Oh no, look at that. Looks like Bill's sycamore might be wanting to fall over. It's leaning. May get your cable when it goes. Them gumball trees. Yeah, she's trying to give up her goodie. Big old taproot's trying to save it, but you're losing it. I think it might fall. Bill should probably move his truck. Corey, I think that came from my yard. I'll let you have it. Yeah, that's not so bad. Here's some birds chirping. I guess they're wondering who turned on the fan. Let's go look at the pond behind our neighbor's house. If I can not get hit by these pine tree limbs. I'm wearing a hard hat or a bicycle helmet just so I don't get hit in the head. She has some nice persimmons on the ground. Might try to get one. There we go. Walking through the backyard. Persimmons. If they were green, they'd sting real good. Yeah, the pond's still full of water. And them birds are sure making a fuss in the air. Y'all can't hear that because there we go. There's the pond. It's up kind of deep. Oh, there goes a tree limb. Into the pond. Flag behind the house is still hanging in there. That's a good thing. There's something floating way down there. I can't make out what it is. It looks like an island. I guess it's a big tree limb fell in. Anyway, Doug, your house did not fall down. All that work you did apparently paid off. There we go. Back over and look at Lee's house. That looks good. Well, we'll walk back over to our house now, go to our backyard. If I see a persimmon that looks nice and ripe, I might stop and pick it up. Sailor's over there. I guess he checked on the boat. Here's a persimmon. Oh no, not right. There's still two. Here's one. That tastes good. What?
I don't know if I should have gone on that walk.
Why?
Well, you know, dude, remember the dog that was around?
Did he bite you?
Huh?
Did he bite you?
No, he was dying.
What do you mean dying?
Dying.
Out in the yard?
Yeah.
Why?
He was just old.
Where's his owners?
They were Forrest and Mr. Forrest and Olivia's mom. They were out there and Mr. Forrest carried him inside. But,
Oh, poor guy.
yeah, I didn't want to see that.
I guess he's having a heart attack. Let's go see the backyard. There's Forrest's car. Here's a Chanticleer. Not much. Whoa!
I don't think that's the greatest idea going back here right now.
I don't know. Look at all that. Wow. It's pretty breezy.
See that tree limb broke right there? Or was it broken about 10 minutes ago?
Well, the one hanging down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was there. It was there. Let's back here and look. We'll stay down here away from all the tree limb debris. All right, look at this mess. Somebody's got to clean that up. Turtles are okay. We got a pine tree that's cracked way up there. That'll need to come down eventually. I don't know how to get that down. That crazy mulberry tree is holding it up, but it's there. It's got to come down. I ain't climbing up there. No, no, no. Everything looks to be okay. We put water in that barrel to hold that door shut. Looks like it worked. Kim's garden's kind of messed up. We dug a hole so the thing could drain. Everything looks good so far. This is what I don't understand. All this wind, how'd those two bricks hold that hot tub cover on? Wouldn't have thought that. Wouldn't have thought it. Yay, the roof is still there. Happy to hear it. we got some hot peppers. All right, I guess we'll start cleaning up in a couple of hours. Michael, your backyard is good. Your screens are okay. Your blinds aren't so great. They're taking a beating, but your furniture's all right. So you're mostly good. Fence didn't fall down. That was done that way when they put the patio in. Everything's good except for that. Whoa! Better hide behind this house. Wait for that gust to go away before I walk over to the door. There we go. All right. That concludes the tour of my neighbors. We'll talk to y'all later.